I'm going to show you how to import a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. I'll be shooting these videos every week, and today I want to start a video. I will be taking you step by step on how to import a video. Each and every week I'll be shooting 3 videos, and I'll be uploading them in my channel, YouTube channel. And guys, you need to check because I'll I'll teach you, I'll train you on how to use Adobe Premiere Pro until you become a pro. And today I want to we start from a simple basics in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, I want to show you on how to import a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro 2019. This is the version that I'm using right now. And guys, consider subscribing to my channel. But first, if you want to import a video, first thing after Adobe Premiere Pro has opened like this, the one that you are seeing on the display, you first go and click New Project. You first click New Project, and then here at the title, you can name the name of the project that you want. For example, mine, I like the name Ishak. Ishak. After writing the name Ishak, you press OK, and then you wait for it to load. Yeah. After loading, it will open all the 4 parts that you can see. You have this, and this, and this. So at first, you need to go to File. You can go here to File and then go to Import. After pressing Import, it will open something like this, and then go to this PC and then select the folder in which your video is. Select mine. Yeah, this is the video that you want, and then you press Open. After pressing Open, the video has come to this part, but you want it to display on this part on here. So you double click the video, and then it will display here. Here you come if you wanted to edit it. This is basically this part is where we cut and we cut the video and the parts that you want. If you want the entire video, you come here and click on the screen here and then cut it here. And today, guys, that is about the class for today. Next time, I'll educate you on how to edit a certain video. Bye bye, guys. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love you all. Thank you.